Hello? Yes, 911? I think something's wrong next door. There's smoke coming out the window, it smells. It smells like marijuana. Boy, 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 I'm scared. Please hurry. Please hurry.
Boom bass hit, rhythm kick. Friday night controller in my unreal slick. Console on screen bright, life feel right. One Joe, two Joe, everything light. Clouds in the room like a movie scene. Laughing with myself, living clean. Incense vibes, calm routine. Just me, my game, and the green serene. Then I hear it to the beat. Music cut slow, heart goes clang. Who that knocking so hard, so into the mood. Knock, knock, knock on the door tonight. Smoke in the air like a ritual light. They think it's trouble, they think it's crime, but I'm just chilling, living my time. Knock, 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 police outside. Red eyes low, but my soul alright. No violence, no fight, no drama scene. Just peace, just vibes, just medical green. I jump on the couch in a cloud so thick. Vision slow-mo, heartbeat quick. Run to the room where the girls grow tall, click. Lights off, silence fall, curtain shut. Grey felt tight, fog in the hall, well a mystic night. Mirror shows me bags under eyes. Dark like the truth, I don't even hide. Police! Open the door! I open slow. Smoke rolls out like temple incense. No doubt they look at me, I look back calm. Heartbeat reggae, steady sound. They say, sir, what's going on in here? I say, officer, please come clear. Long week, long days, heavy pain. This helps my mind, this heals my brain. Knock, knock, knock on the door tonight. Fear in their eyes, but my truth inside. They see the haze, they smell the green, but they don't know where I've been. And I've been knock, 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 stress on hold up. I ain't a criminal, I'm just hold up. All from work, from pressure, from strain. This is my medicine, not my chain. I reach my pocket slow and clear, medical card, everything here. Doctor sign, name and date, suddenly the tension deflate. No cops, no right, no bad report, just nods and steps back from the court. One says quietly, have a good night.